let's jump into the AP Toolkit in NetSuite and look at a vendor bill.
I'm entering here a bill for my demo vendor, in which I've already input things such as the reference number, the date, and the subsidiary. Now this belongs to the KES holding subsidiary, but I want to be able to allocate it to multiple subsidiaries. So I'm going to start by selecting the subsidiary and then entering the account for the expense. As soon as I enter that, the clearing account is automatically selected, and then I want to enter the amount. You can choose to enter a memo if you would like, as well as any of your other segments. And we also have the ability to amortize. So if I want to amortize this expense over, let's say, a first quarter, I can enter in those dates. And once this creates, it'll create an amortization schedule. We're just going to keep repeating this per line. If you also want to keep the expense within that same subsidiary, you want to select that and continue entering just as you've done for the others. If bills are created via CSV due to a large number of expense lines, this process will still work with that upload. Once approved, the AP Toolkit will go through and take all of the expense lines with an allocation subsidiary and create the allocation journal. So we're going to look into the first journal, and we can see here where we are taking from the KES holdings and inputting it into KES Canada. In this example, we did have an amortization schedule, so you can see where the account is the prepaid expenses, but when you look into the schedule itself, you'll see that $62.60 telephone expense. And going back into our intercompany journal, you can also see the ability to pull over your segments or entities, and you can select exactly which lines you want to push it to. So we are pushing our department only to our intercompany clearing and the expense account, and on the entity, we wanted to do it on the due to and due from accounts. Lastly, we have always a link back to the original transaction, so you can always go back and see that bill.
If you'd like to learn more, visit us at kes-systems.com/aptoolkit or contact us at sales@kes-systems.com.